So this guy spent $3,000 on a dating photo shoot and still got 0 matches. So this isn't rare for dating photo shoots. It's actually pretty normal. And this video is going to tell you why dating photographers are finished and how you can get better pics without them. So reason number 1, it's over for dating photographers. Women swipe left on all pro photo profiles. So if you look here, this woman says, I always swipe left immediately if there were professional photos. And then this one says, from my perspective as a woman, I always preferred real photos over filtered and professional ones. And then here, another woman says, 1 or 2 professional photos is fine, but more than that is weird. I swipe left on men like that. So if you have a profile with all professional photos, it's a red flag because it just looks try hard. Like, yeah, us men, we gotta try hard, but women, they live in a different reality. Point is, you gotta make it look like you're not trying, because if you look like you're trying really hard, you look desperate. And also, the price for dating photo shoots are insane for what you get. So this photographer says that about $300 or $400 is what his or her colleagues charge for an hour. And I'm assuming that a dating photo shoot with, say, 6 pics or more, that's definitely going to be more than an hour. So let's just say conservatively, right? You're looking at least $500 on the low end. All right. And then this guy commented he's a professional dating coach and he has 44 photographers in his network. So it's like a good amount of photographers. And seems like on average they charge $1,000 to $1,500 for a photo shoot. So let's just say that's like, you know, mid-range average for a dating photo shoot. All right, and then here's prices that I found on a dating photographer's website. So I'm guessing this would be like on the high end. It's like $3,000 to $10,000, which is crazy. And keep in mind, you know, I just showed you multiple quotes of women saying that they swipe left on pro photos. So I don't even know why you would do this. All right, so next reason why dating photographers are cooked is it takes a lot of time to do a photo shoot like this. So, you know, maybe you got to research who's good, who's bad. Then you got to schedule the photo shoot, maybe book a call, go back and forth with the photographer. Maybe you got to plan your outfits. You got to buy clothes, get a haircut, maybe like fix your skin. Maybe you got to travel somewhere. Let's say you're in Texas or something and the photographer is in California. Then obviously, you know, you got to take the time to travel, not to mention pay for a flight. And then the actual photo shoot part where you got to take photos probably takes a while. Got to wait for the edits. You got to review the photos and maybe you want to request a revision. If you do, you got to wait even more. And then if you want variation in the photos like clothes, pets, people, locations, hairstyles, stuff like that, that's probably like more time and money. So maybe from start to finish, you're looking at a few weeks, if not longer. Versus something like AI, you can just get pics like these in a few minutes just sitting at home. And if you want pics like this, check the pinned comment. All right, so reason number 4, and this depends on the photographer, but I would say most dating photographers don't know what women like. So they're usually people with a nice camera. Maybe they know like lighting, blur, what lens, you know, angles, all this kind of stuff. And they're used to taking portrait photos, but it doesn't matter if you have the best camera in the world, because if you don't know how to use it for taking good dating pics, then it's pointless. So I think in most cases with these kinds of photographers, you just end up getting LinkedIn looking headshots, kind of like this guy from the beginning of the video. And, you know, as mentioned, this is not good for dating. He even said he hired this photographer for like $3,000 and still no results. And all these pics are of him by himself. So it's kind of like, you know, no offense to this guy, I'm sure he's a nice guy, but the girls might get an impression like, does he have any friends? I mean, even with AI, even though you're technically just sitting at home, you can even get a friend/social pic like this. But yeah, it depends on the photographer. There are definitely photographers who know what women like and are gonna swipe on, but that's like a rare skill, and it probably means that kind of person can charge a lot of money. And reason number 5, that dating photographers are finished. As with most things, AI is taking over. So almost a year ago, I made a video on this topic comparing AI pics to photo shoots for online dating. And back then, the comparison was more equal, but AI obviously has come such a long way, even in that short period of time. So yeah, I think it's finished for these kinds of photographers. All right, so for example, cost. You're looking at $30 versus anywhere from, let's say, 500 to 10K plus. Time, a few minutes versus days, or maybe even weeks, or maybe even longer, I don't know. Flexibility, so with AI, you can do any location, any outfit, pet pics, pics with friends or AI friends. And as you can see, like with AI pics now, like the quality or realism, it's completely indistinguishable from real pics. So I don't really understand what the point of paying a lot of money for a photo shoot would be. And if you want, you could even do like a middle ground. You can mix and match. So for example, you can have your own pics, whether that's a photo shoot or pics that you took by yourself or that a friend took for you. And then you can use AI for stuff that would be hard to get, like a dog pic if you don't have a dog. Group pics, because, I don't know, it can be awkward or hard to get a good one. Travel, so for example, let's say you traveled somewhere and you forgot to take a pic, or you don't like taking pics of yourself, or like you tried taking a pic and it wasn't good, then you could just redo it with AI. So dating photographers are selling something from 2018. It would have made sense back then, because back then phone cameras weren't as good as they are now. AI wasn't really a thing. And like I showed you, women literally tell you that they swipe left on pro looking photos because it's try hard and maybe they think you're like a catfish. And AI gives you more flexibility for 1/100th of the price or more, depending on the price of the photographer. But yeah, if you want to fix your dating life in a few minutes using AI, check the pinned comment and I will see you next time.